Okay, we are at La Leona Waterfall Adventure Tours. This is Fabricio and Amanda. And we're about ready to take this great hike up to La Leona Waterfall. And Alejandro is our guide. Alejandro.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. Are we ready to go?
We are ready.
Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're off. A little bit of a ride. We got a little bit of a ride to go. And we're gonna start the hike.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is exciting. Here we go. About a 5-minute ride, so we're not going to take much photographs of this part of the journey. We're just going to hang on. I need 2 hands, so I'm going to let go of this camera and we'll start it when we start our hike. All right, we're here at the start. Is it the start of the hike?
Hello, Douglas.
Hola, pura vida. Hey, thank you for the ride. That was fun. So we got some greetings here from the puppies. Ah, the locals. Are they coming with us?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh,
They are good guys.
I don't know. We didn't bring any food. Sorry. Okay. All right. I'm going to change this out and put this in the dry bag. Okay. And then we're going to head on out.
Name is like the name, the province name.
Yeah.
This is the province of Guanacaste. It's named after this tree.
Same name.
Ah, so this is the Guanacaste tree.
One more. Yeah.
One more here.
Does it flower?
No, it's like
Seeds? Looks like a jacaranda. We have jacarandas that have the same kind of leaves.
I don't see really, but the fruit is like the here. We say chorejas.
Chorejas?
Yeah, this is oreja. So we say choreja. It's similar the form.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it has fruit. Fruit comes from it.
It's not fruit, but
Like a
yeah.
They're huge. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time. That's the way national parks are for us too. Our national parks, and no paper, nothing. Everything you take with you, you bring back.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You did it the hike in the national park?
In the United States, yes.
Ah, United States.
Yes, a lot of national parks. I love the national parks.
In California.
In California, Yosemite, Death Valley. We've been to a few national parks. The sequoias, big trees.
Really?
Yeah.
Sequoia is like...
They're, okay, very big. Say, I would say maybe, some are 5 meters, 7 meters across. Yeah. You could drive a car in one of the national park. You can drive a car in the tree. Yeah.
And how many kilometers is the hike in the national park?
They have so many. Many different hikes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
You need a guide or you can
I
go
do
alone?
my backpacking. I've done backpacking or just day hike.
So you love the hiking?
Oh yeah. And we love waterfalls. Okay, we're crossing, huh?
Follow me down here and then right side of the road.
Okay. Oh, that's cold water. It feels good.
That's like our ocean. Where we're at.
Guys, this side?
Okay.
A big one.
There.
Oh,
That's a termite nest.
Yeah. Do you know that some people eat termites?
They eat?
heard that. They must be really big.
People say that contain proteins. I don't know. I never taste.
No.
Okay, guys, the name of the river is White River. In Spanish, you know?
White River?
Blanco.
Blanco.
Rio Blanco.
Rio Blanco.
Exactly. This river is coming from the volcano Rincón de la Vieja, so contain many minerals. For that you don't find fish, frogs,
Nothing.
no animals.
No.
Impossible the life in the water. For them.
Oh, because of all of the minerals from the
Exactly.
volcano.
So don't drink this water.
No.
Just swim.
Just swimming. Yes.
Okay. Now
Okay.
if you want, I can take the first picture here.
Oh, sweet.
What's the name of this tree?
Naked Indian.
What is the name of this tree?
Indio desnudo.
Indio lasuda.
Yeah, naked Indio.
And you hug the tree for good luck. That's what they say. Okay. Give me good luck, tree.
We need it. We need good luck for bike. Good luck for survive.
That's right. So far, so good.
Pretty good for the, you can adapt.
Got it, buddy?
Got it. Ah, we're good. You can smell sulfur.
Yeah. Like azufre.
Sulfur. Yeah, that's why there's nothing lives in the water. Here we are. We've already had a couple of water crossings. And this trail is very interesting.
It's a little naked Indian.
Ah, you're going to give it good life. It's going to give you good life back. Oh, we got a little bit of a hill to climb, huh? Okay, so this one is called Seba, and that one is Sebo. Is that the male? And this the female?
Exactly, I think so.
See, in Spanish. Okay, so, but they both look similar. But this one, and this one you say, this is what they make the marimba out of, the wood? They take the wood and they make the marimbas,
Exactly.
the instrument? Okay. And this is the national tree of Guatemala. Interesting. Very nice.
Do you want a little break for drink water or?
How are you feeling?
Are you fine?
I feel good.
Yeah, okay.
All right. We got another ladder to climb.
Different way.
Well, we're not going that way.
I show you my friends. You wanna see my friends?
Yes.
Sure.
He is Miguel. Little bat.
See Miguel?
Oh yeah, look, here's Miguel. Right there. Hi Miguel. Oh, he's saying hello.
Yeah.
What is it?
Hola Miguel. He's a bat.
These
Oh, a
are
bat.
fruit bats.
He's a fruit bat.
Yeah.
See?
Oh,
We are safe.
yes. I see.
Yeah.
Will be a vampire.
No vampire.
No.
No, unless you are a lemon or a guava. If you're a guava, you're in trouble. Okay, so this is a citronella.
Yeah.
And if you squeeze it, it smells like citronella. A little mosquito repellent. Keep the mosquitoes off my arms anyway.
Now, Indiana Jones style.
Okay.
Here we go. Underneath. There we go. Oh, the arch. Okay.
First one picture, and then we can swim, okay?
Okay.
It's Curiol. Water. You can try? Right here. The name is Curiol. It's volcanic rock.
Oh, this is the volcanic rock.
Contain minerals and it's good for the skin.
Ah.
Nice. Love it.
Ah, there you go.
Picture first, and then we can swim.
All right. We're going swimming now.
Oh my God!
Oh, yes. It's so warm.
Oh, the water is so cold. Yeah. And it's deep too.
Is your fish here? Yeah, in front.
Okay. It's good. I see the rocks right here. Ah. You got me? Okay. We made it. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, we gotta wait for them, huh?
Yeah.
We gotta go in there?
The surprising.
Okay.
The current is little strong, guys. Little strong today, the current. So I go first, and I will waiting for you on the other side. So you will pass one by one, pulling the rope, okay? Yeah, just pull the rope.
Hand over hand.
It's deep there. So if you need my help, I have this rope. So if you need, I help you the rope. Take this with the two hands, and I pull in.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
If you want the last picture before to enter,
Yeah?
right here.
All right, we're waiting for the signal. We haven't reached the waterfall yet, but this is probably the most treacherous portion so far. Not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. Okay, he's got a rope ready in case we need it. Okay, here we go. gotta go.